When your email warns that the attached file is too large, compression becomes essential. But does compression always mean sacrificing quality? Absolutely not. Today, we'll introduce two powerful tools to help you compress documents while preserving their original quality. Method 1. ComPDFKit. Contact the ComPDFKit sales team for a free demo. The documents before and after compression are visually identical, with no difference at all. How to do it. Open ComPDFKit on your desktop. Upload the document you need to compress. Click the Compress Files icon. Need to compress multiple PDFs? Click here to upload them. Click Compress, then choose where to save the compressed file. Click Open and wait for the compression to finish. Method 2. PDF Reader Pro. Achieve ultra-fast compression while perfectly preserving visual quality, without any loss. Download PDF Reader Pro powered by ComPDFKit from the official website. Launch the software on your desktop. Click the Compress feature. Select the document you want to compress. Need to compress multiple files? Click here to upload them. Click Compress, choose a save location, and you're done. That's it. Follow us for more PDF-related tips and updates.